Hello Cambly learners, I hope you're all doing great today. My name is Diana and I'm a tutor here on Cambly. In today's lesson, we'll be covering comparative conjunctions. In grammar, a conjunction is a part of speech that helps us connect words, phrases, or clauses. They allow you to form complex, elegant sentences without the overuse of multiple short sentences. So, comparative conjunctions are used to show how two things are similar or how two things are different. When you're preparing for a test or you simply want to sound more fluent, using conjunctions on a regular basis will help you do so. Some common comparative conjunctions include alternatively, however, unlike, as like, as with, instead, etc. Let's take a look at a few examples of comparative conjunctions in sentences. The first one we'll look at today is alternatively. Alternatively is used to suggest another possibility and is often followed by a comma. For example, today it's raining, so I may take the bus to work. Alternatively, I could also take the metro. We could go to the Indian restaurant, or alternatively, we could try that new Italian place. The second word we'll look at is however. However often comes at the beginning of the second sentence when describing a contrast or an opposite viewpoint. It is also followed by a comma. For example, I like winter. However, I dislike when it rains a lot. I enjoy eating out with friends. However, I rarely do it because I'm busy with work. And the last one we'll cover today is unlike. Unlike is used to show when something is different from something else. For example, unlike my brother, I like traveling. Or, unlike most students, she enjoyed waking up early. So remember, when you are working with conjunctions, you need to pay attention to its function in a sentence and its placement, where we're going to be placing it in the sentence. So that's everything for today on comparative conjunctions. I hope you feel a little bit more familiar with the concept and you feel comfortable to start going out and using it yourself. For those of you who are unfamiliar with Cambly, Cambly gives you instant access to friendly native English speakers all over the world like me. You are able to connect from your phone, your mobile, from any place and improve your English fluency. So if you'd like to try it out, book a lesson with me or any other tutor, and I'm sure you won't regret it. Goodbye, take care.